Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to the first installment of 60-second tutorials. Today we're going to be checking out how to make a simple growl bass in Serum. So let's hop right into it. Let's go ahead and initialize it, and we're going to go under oscillator A here and go under spectral and monster 4. First thing we're going to do is set the wavetable position to 215. And now under low frequency oscillator 1, we're going to create this shape here and set this to 1/2 and trigger. Next, we're going to go under sub. Select the second sine wave sub, and we're going to drag the low frequency oscillator controller right into level. Nice. All right. Next, what we're going to do is under here, we are going to set this to bend minus and drag this low frequency oscillator onto it. Bring it up a tiny bit. Lastly, let's go under FX, and under hyper, let's set the mix to 30, the size to 35, this mix about 25. We'll see what it sounds like. That will conclude this 60-second tutorial. I hope you guys make something awesome with this growl bass, and I hope to see you on the next one.